almost 4 months, 4 years that we've been together. And I can still remember the very first day. That was a very memorable one. Because for me, it was the start of a very exciting and head-spinning church with the most outgoing people that I've met. Yes, that's you. You are the people who make my world spin round because of your natural and unbeatable talent. The numerous awards that we've achieved are the witnesses of this talent. Can you still remember the preparations we've done for every competition that we've joined? All of the hard work, practices, and overnight that we've been through are the keys of what we are. Champions. That's us. Even though sometimes we're being victorious, still we don't stop to reach the top. And we've already proven ourselves, and we've done that together. And speaking of talent, we also have those special talents which add flavor to our adventures. That's it. Those jokes that we throw to each other are essential in our everyday life. Most of them are corny, but it's working out for us. Sometimes I am thinking if we're that easy-headed, that we are laughing too much on those priceless things. But then, I came to realize that we're just good friends. We're not going to leave any of us hanging with this much time. I guess that's the reason why we're always laughing. We stay happy in the company of each other because of our special talent. And this talent was even more head-spinning when mixed with the coolest advisor that we've met. I'm sure you know him already, so there's no need to mention his name. I just want to express my unexplainable happiness for him. If there were good times, of course, we also have those times when we feel low. Except from the headache that those endless assignments and projects give us. We also suffer from problems such as friendship misunderstanding, family quarrels, broken grades, and the most confusing of all, heartache. We feel heartache because in this chapter of our lives, we learned something about loving. Girls learn to flip their hair in a very specific way to attract boys. Boys learn to buy chocolates and flowers for girls. We all learn to do something good for those people. And when we lose them, we get hurt. We feel pain. But the most beautiful thing when you're in pain, that there's always someone to reach. There's always someone to cry on. There's always someone to hear your problem. There's always someone to make you smile and feel good, even though you're broken, because your classmates are always there for you. Now it's almost goodbye. Surely I will miss the moments that we did. Maika, Sundong Peso, Chinese Garter, B.I.S.U.O., Tatuhang Bola, Jingle Competition, Cheating Arrangement, Lugawan, Kansahan, Habulan ng Halinang Lasizing, Makso, SM, Picture Taking, Shooting, and last but not the least, drumming during lunch break. Those are the moments that I will treasure for the rest of my life. Because those are the moments that make us graduate. I know when it's all over, things will never be the same again. We can't be this way anymore. Sitting in just one class, wearing the same uniform, and listening to your father's stories. Yes, we will be having our book, our new schedules, our new campus, our new classmates, And I'm really, really thankful to all of you. I may not be able to mention each of you, but I will be always be thankful for making for you because you I am. Thank you for sharing your wisdom with me. Thank you again for everything. You're the best thing that's ever happened in my high school life. Good afternoon.